video. Stop. Okay.
Careful, Mommy doesn't know what you're doing.
The duck right there is the mommy duck.
Right, and she's not sure what you guys are doing, so be careful.
That's my mom.
That's not your mama.
He is a gentleman.
That doesn't belong to you. She belongs to God.
The mommy duck
right here.
That's my dad.
That's not your daddy duck. He belongs to God too.
Don't touch him. He might bite. He might bite. Oh, can I throw one? Wait. No, wait. Sometimes these ducks are trying to find food. They're really bored because you're not having so much time having fun finding food. I wish we could give them, which you might have seen in the last video. Which you might have heard in the last video. And look at those ducks swim. If you didn't notice, that ducks have little webbing on their feet. That helps them to swim.
Are you giving a running commentary? Go, Izaiah, go. What else do you know about the ducks?
And even ducks can turn around. They can turn around and find some fish. They can like turn around to find if there's some fish. They can dip their head underwater, and that's how they get the fish. See? And when they're hatching their eggs, they have a lot of predators like foxes, wolves, bears, weasels. Weasels can harm their eggs a lot.
Okay, I'm turning it off. Say bye.
Bye.
Thanks for watching my nature
show and have a great day.